Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the iPhone settings so that it will announce the caller name when somebody calls you. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open the settings app. So click on the settings app here and then just scroll down and select the phone option here. So select the phone option, and once you select the phone option, you have this option which says announce calls, right? So I'm going to select this option. In my case, it's always that, which means if somebody calls me, my iPhone will announce the name of the caller. And if the name of the caller is unknown, my iPhone will say that I'm receiving a call from unknown number. If I just want to announce the call when I wear a headphone or I'm in the car, then I can choose this option which says headphones and car. If I want to announce the calls when I only use the headphone, then I can select the headphones only. If I don't want to announce the name, I can just select the never option. So in my case, I use it always. So my iPhone will always announce the caller name regardless of where I am, or if I'm using headphones or not, or if I'm using the iPhone in my car or not. So this is how you can change the settings of your iPhone to announce the name of the caller on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.